In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this oximeter in a proper way so that it won't give you false information. Okay, now let's unbox this. As you can see, this oximeter is from ChoiceMade. You can use any brand. They are almost same, but make sure to use the good one. Okay, now let's open it. As you can see, inside the box, you get these 4 items. This is rope, which will attach with this oximeter, and some batteries, and there is a user manual. If you get confused, you can read this, but after watching this video, I don't think so you have to read it. And this is the oximeter. Now let's keep all these aside and let's open this oximeter. As you can see, this is the oximeter. Let's remove the cover. Now let's put battery inside it. So to put battery, you need to put it like this, and here you can see the compartment, battery compartment, and many people get confused here. As you can see, both of the sides are similar. So you might get confused because most of the devices which have battery compartment, for example, this is the AC remote. If you see the battery compartment of this remote, as you can see, both sides are opposite. But in this case, these both are similar. So you should watch the sign carefully. Like as you can see, this is the minus sign, and here you can see the minus. So put it accordingly. And there also, here is a plus sign. So plus side should be here like this. Now it's ready. Let's put the cover. Okay. Now let's test it. So before testing, make sure your hand is warm enough or in a normal temperature. If it is cold, then it won't show accurate result. And also, mostly for the females, if you have nail polish or the nail extension, please remove that because it can also affect the result. Okay, now let's remove this cover. This is the display cover, as you can see. Now place your oximeter like this and relax your hand and keep it on the table or any surface, but remember, put below your heart level. Now after relaxing your hand, turn on the device like this and it will start, and after a few seconds it will show the result as well. Like as you can see, there are two numbers. This 97, as you can see, this is the oxygen level and this is the heartbeat per minute. Now after seeing the result, write it on a paper or note, or you can also remember it. Now to turn it off, you just need to pull this device out and it will turn off automatically. Like as you can see.